In Islam, marriage is a noble bond, a sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and a completion of half of one's faith. Today, we are blessed to witness the union of our dear sister, the bride, who steps into this new chapter of her life with modesty, faith, and dignity. She is not only a daughter, cherished and nurtured with love, but also now entrusted with a new one, a new role, that of a righteous wife, a companion, and inshallah a future mother who will raise her household upon taqwa, God consciousness. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the woman of the hour, our beautiful bride, Shamina Jainani Abu Bakar. Itong panganta ng mapanig, in pangantin na babae, Shamina Jainani Abu Bakar.